Here's how to turn on Google SafeSearch to block explicit results on your searches. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to google.com/preferences. This is the Google search settings page. If you're not logged in, sign in to your Google account so SafeSearch syncs across all devices. Right at the top, you'll see SafeSearch. To enable it, check the box that says Filter Explicit Results. This blocks adult websites, violent content, and inappropriate images from appearing in Google search. If you want stronger filtering, especially for kids' devices, scroll down and tap Lock SafeSearch. You'll be taken to the Family Link page, where you can lock SafeSearch permanently on supervised accounts. To confirm it's enabled, go back to google.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. You should see the label SafeSearch On. You can test it by searching for an inappropriate term. Explicit results should now be blocked. And that's it. SafeSearch is now enabled across your Google account and devices.